In this video, we will talk about dividing negative rational numbers. So just remember when we divide, let me use different color. When we divide two negatives, negative divided by negative, or when we divide two positives, when the signs are the same, and the quotients, the answer is going to be always positive. Always positive. When they are the same signs, they are going to be always positive. When the signs are different, for example, negative divided by positive or positive divided by negative, when they are different signs, the quotient is going to be always negative. After we remember this, we can start. First example, negative 2 and 1/2 divided by 1/3. First, you need to note that you have something negative here divided by positive. When they are not the same, the answer is going to be negative. So negative divided by positive is always negative. This is what we know that. Now I think I can start playing with this mixed number. 2 times 2 is going to be 4, plus 1 is going to be 5, negative 5/2 divided by 1/3. And then we know that the answer is going to be what? Negative. How do we divide fractions, guys? We just multiply by the reciprocal. This is what dividing means. So negative 5/2 times the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you just need to flip this. It's going to be 3/1. So my answer is negative 10. No, not 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 15/2. This is called an improper fraction. And we know that negative 15/2 is actually equivalent to, we can divide 15 by 2. 2 can go into 15 7 times. 7 times 3 is 14. Remainder is 1. That means 7 and 1/2. But don't forget the negative sign. So they are equivalent answers. This is in improper fraction form. This is in mixed number form. Next example, negative 5 and then divided by negative 3 and 1/5. In this case, we have one negative and then another negative. 1 divided by negative is going to be positive. This is what you know. Don't touch the first one. Negative 5 divided by 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, negative 16/5. How do we multiply? How do we divide fractions? We just need to flip the second one and multiply. Don't touch the first one. Times, flip the second one, it's going to be 5/16. Don't forget the negative sign. Please remember, there is an invisible 1 under this negative 5. And then numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we know that negative times negative is going to be positive. You can put plus sign or you don't have to. 5 times 5 is going to be 25 over 1 times 16 is 16. And this is okay, but let's write in improper fraction, in mixed number form. 16 can go into 25 one times. And 25 minus 16 is going to be 9/16 is another equivalent answer. This is in mixed number form. This is in improper fraction form. One more example. negative 3 and 1 over 20 divided by 1.25. Let's do something fun. I have a decimal this time. But decimals are rational numbers too. All right, 3 times 20 is 60, plus 1 is 61, negative 61 over 20 divided by 1.25 is actually 125 over, since your decimal place moved 2, you should put 100 here. 125 over 100. We don't like playing with big numbers like this, and I know that 125 and 100 are both divisible by 25. I can simplify this fraction. 125 over 100 can be written as this. So 100 is 25 times 4. 125 is 25 times 5. Basically, it is 5/4. 125 over 100 is equivalent to 5/4. So negative 61 over 20 divided by 5 over 4. This is my new format. So negative 61 over 20 times, I need to flip the other one and multiply. It's going to be 4/5 like this. And we know that negative times positive is going to be negative. I saw something beautiful here too. I can simplify 20 and 4. 20 is divisible by 4. 1 here, 5 here. It's going to be, the answer is going to be negative times positive is negative, right? Negative 61, because 61 times 1 is 61, over 5 times 5 is 25. If you don't like this answer, you can rewrite this as mixed number form. 25 can go into 61 2 times. It's going to be 50. It leaves 11 out over 25. This is in mixed number form. Thank you.